Why Afghanistan's poorest province is betting everything on Paulownia trees. Everyone thinks Afghanistan is just about conflict and poverty. Here's the shocking truth. While the world looks away, Daikundi province, one of Afghanistan's poorest regions, just made the smartest agricultural bet in decades. They're not growing wheat, opium, or other traditional crops. They're growing Paulownia trees. Behind-the-scenes reality. While international aid focuses on emergency relief, local farmers quietly built 80 high-tech greenhouses, costing 19 million Afghanis. But here's what caught everyone off guard. These aren't for vegetables. Daikundi residents have turned to growing Paulownia trees, the fastest growing hardwood on Earth. In a region where most people are peasants and traders, they're betting their future on advanced forestry. The Infrastructure Revolution Framework. Step 1. Deploy modern agriculture. The Infrastructure Revolution Framework starts with modern agriculture deployment. Each farmer received 300-watt solar panels, 1,000-liter water tanks, thermometers, and precision growing equipment. This isn't subsistence farming, it's agricultural technology. Step 2. Scale through systematic replication. 6 districts, Nili, Shahristan, Sang-e-Takht, Ashtarli, Kadir, and Miramor. UNDP coordination with local agriculture departments. This is infrastructure deployment, not charity. Step 3. Transform the economic base. Paulownia trees grow 15 to 20 feet annually, harvest in 5 to 7 years, and coppice for decades. These farmers aren't just growing trees, they're building generational wealth in one of the world's most challenging environments. Industry insight with hidden data. Here's the data nobody's connecting. Afghanistan sits between Pakistan's massive timber demand and Central Asia's growing markets. While everyone focuses on conflict, Daikundi farmers are positioning for the region's timber shortage. Paulownia thrives in harsh mountain climates, requires minimal water, and produces premium, lightweight timber. These farmers chose the perfect species for their environment and market position. Contrarian conclusion. The uncomfortable truth. While international aid treats Afghanistan as a charity case, Daikundi farmers are building the most advanced forestry operation in Central Asia. If farmers in Afghanistan's mountains can deploy advanced Paulownia cultivation, imagine what's possible with proper support and expertise. Ready to explore how this Guardian framework can transform agricultural regions? Book a private consultation call at bioeconomysolutions.com.